The Dentis implant cleaning process begins after selection and inspection of quality raw materials such as titanium. The implants are manufactured by CNC by an automated process. And the first cleaning, in 4 tanks, is done to remove cutting oil. A sample of the cleaned implants is inspected under a microscope and by precision measurement equipment. And the deburring process is done to remove foreign substances and imperfections. In a quasi-clean room, the implants undergo ultra-precise cleaning in 6 tanks, as is done for such products as semiconductors. The DI water that is used at this stage is ultra-pure, 100% free of bacteria and microorganisms, and is produced in-house. The implants are inspected after the second cleaning. The next step, blasting, makes the fixture surface rough. Automated robots ensure precision in blasting of the implant surfaces and monitor and inspect the surfaces in real time. SLA products undergo an additional cleaning in 3 tanks to etch the surfaces and remove acids. Implants that have gone through the surface treatment undergo a 13-step cleaning process that consists of cleaning in 6 tanks in the quasi-clean room and cleaning in 7 tanks in the clean room. HA products undergo a coating with HA powder in a separate treatment room and another cleaning in 5 tanks. After the final cleaning, the implants are sampled for a cytotoxicity test and quality inspection by SEM photos. The implants are packaged into ampules, which are then automatically packaged into cartons. After the final inspection, the implants are sent for sterilization. All Dentis implants are 100% gamma-irradiated sterilized and are then sent to the logistics team for global shipping. The Dentis implant cleaning process ensures maximum cleanliness through iterative cleaning, ultra-precise cleaning, and fully automated systems. The world's best quality implants are produced through the most rigorous quality management.